Anyways, Peter, don't judge. Here comes Peter. Here comes Peter. I need to get water, guys. I'll be back in a second. Oh, connection is a little bit sus. A little bit sus. Okay, when I come back, this better be fixed, Peter. Rubbish. Good morning, guys. Good morning, Alan. Virus and Thrust. Jay, good morning, Peter. Did you even sleep? I don't know if I say good morning. Because, mm, mm, I'm just reading some of these comments. That's not what I want. TPET. TPET is going. We have a pet, guys. For regular people, yeah, that's true. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, James. Larry, good morning. Tash, good morning. Yi. Ayo, Sosa, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Harrison, good morning. Really, Harrison? I saw your message in the chat and I'm like, wow, really? 96% for TPET. TPET is cooking. Cooking. 45 cents. That's a really nice push. HP, good morning. There he goes. HP, you're in Discord, right? You're good to go? Here comes 46 pennies. 46 pennies. You're looking for a good entry in KITT? Larry, I told you to join Discord, right, Larry? I told you. Come join us in Discord. You would be in this already. Everything would be good. But you said no. Pyro, good morning. I'm kidding, by the way. No, yeah, KITT was fun last night. Obviously, we had a lot of fun with this since, we got off the stream, blah, blah, blah. You can kind of see the mess on this because we used this as an education, piece yesterday, right? When we got off the stream in the morning, like we went back to Discord and we streamed in Discord, and this was a lot of fun because it was playing out really nicely. It was breaking out, it was retesting, it was bouncing, it was retesting, it was bouncing, like it was perfect, right? And then this morning, again, obviously people took profits at the end of the day, and then after hours, it just started pumping again, right? And then this morning, it just said, thank you for coming, goodbye, all the way to 40 something, and then dipped. So let's see if we can find a base here above 30 cents in the morning and then go again. And then I opened Discord and saw, let's go HP. Let's go. Look at that. Well done. HP again. HP joined us yesterday because he got a gifted legend membership. HP played with KITT yesterday and woke up this morning and saw TPET in Discord. Guess what TPET is doing, guys? Again, come join us in Discord if you're not a member because TPET is cooking. Keep cooking, TPET. 16 cents. You did, James? Yeah. You could have got back in though. That's the only again. There's nothing wrong with getting out of stocks, guys. There's nothing wrong with that at all. You just have to get back in when it looks good again. You know, just have to get back in when it looks good again. TPET. Hmm. What else do we like this morning, guys? Peggy looks a bit sus. Kazin was another one that did really well. Not sure if that thing's gonna keep bumping though. And then there should be another penny stock here that was doing well. PRST has done some interesting things. Obviously, GME is playing games. Um, Playing games, you know. Okay, I'm gonna go back to TPET and I'll leave it there for now. Oh, it logs me out of that browser. So I have to use this browser then? Annoying. There goes TPET though. TPET is cooking. Cook it, TPET. Cook it, cook it, cook it. Loving it. Uh, I'm gonna have to send you guys this video over and over and over and over and over and over. Let me get rid of this. There we go. Uh, okay. 47 cents for TPET. We can only trade TPET after hours, after the open, Sliz. No, you can only trade it if you're after the open if you're not a member. You should be able to trade it whenever you want, Sliz. How do you think the stock is moving up? Maybe you might just not have access to pre-market then maybe. 1790. You did, Jeff? Okay. Yeah, it has to stay above 1740, Jeff. If it doesn't hold, we might just have to get rid of it, and move on to the next one. Alrighty. If it's not behaving like we wanted to, and then okay, bye bye. Alrighty. Uh, what else here? Mm, I don't think there's anything on the list that we haven't covered already. I'm not sure what this initial stock is, but but Pixie was another one from last night. Pixie. Uh, okay, moving on. Yeah, TPET looks like it's stalling, and honestly, anytime a stock gets close to 50 cents like that, you want to be careful, right? We must have 48 cents. So when we get that close, you want to be cautious. How do we trade during pre-market hours? You're in. It says that the order is Q and only as Liz, you have to make sure that pre-market is selected. In order for your order to execute, Jordan, good morning. John, good morning. In order for your order to execute pre-market, you have to make sure you follow the steps. It's not the same way you do it. And the easiest thing to do is look at trading. If you go to your broker's website, they're going to show you. What broker do you have, Aslis? What broker do you have? Mm, yeah, there you go. Yeah, you have to select extended hours on the thing if you're gonna get in. Cajun conspiracy channel. Cajun. Is this Blair virus? Anyways, Cajun, you signed up for the wrong membership. So if you want to join us in Discord, you have to make sure that you sign up for the level that says Discord Community Legend or Goats. Oh yeah, that's easy. That's Liz. Well, Robinhood doesn't trade all the pre-market, but Robinhood is open now. So um, unless I'm mistaken. But so yeah, you have to make sure that extended hours is selected. When you go to put in your order, you have to select limit and then you have to select extended hours. If you go to Robinhood's website, they're going to show you exactly what you need to do. Not every broker has all of the pre-market hours. Like Webull trades all of the pre-market hours. Um, Not sure, but I like the yeah. So you just have to if you go on Robinhood's website, like Robinhood pre-market, they're going to show you like it really. Uh, pre-market. They should show you. It gives you all the instructions right there at six, right? So Robinhood starts at six. So la la la. Again, there's a lot more in here. So there you go. You can just read that stuff and then go from there. And they tell you like that's what you need to do during extended hours. Show detail page. Blah 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 blah. Obviously, I don't want to go over this, but um, yeah. Pablo, what happened? What happened? What happened, Pablo? Good morning, everybody. Everybody wants an entry for TPET. No such thing as a good entry, please. But no, 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 no. Uh, doo-doo-doo. Doo-doo, doo-doo-doo. If not, we dip all the way to 37.35. Cool. KITT, are we bouncing yet, guys? I mean, I guess we are kind of holding 40 cents, which is a good thing. These candles are huge. I don't know what I did to these candles, but every time I open it up now, they're huge. Huge, 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 huge. Uh, mm, mm, I'm just reading Peter's messages. Okay. Anyways, hi, Steve. Say hi to Steve. Pyro says hi, Steve. We all say hi. Okay, back to TPET. Oh my goodness, TPET said, guys, bye all. Woo! That thing just dipped and exploded. My goodness. Whew. That thing said, hey, you want a dip? Here's your dip. You want some chips with the dip skis? Because goodbye. Whew. My goodness. That's a nice pop. Anyways, again, that resistance close to 50 cents though is still a problem. Yeah, that thing dipped and just exploded. Uh, Once a month praise out of the way. Back to roasting. Oh, I missed it. I missed it. Just wanted to tell you that you just wanted to tell you that you continue to do all that you can to help those who are looking to improve their trading situation by teaching and not by spoon feeding them. Love it, Pablo. Love it. I know. And Pablo, thank you very much. Um, Yeah, that's why again, like, I always have a dilemma between like classes and signals, right? And I enjoy those classes a lot more, like what we did yesterday, Pablo, right? Like again, looking for the breakouts on these stocks, looking for the retest, looking for, I think people benefit a lot more from that than spoon feeding. Um, we will not succeed from spoon feeding. We will succeed from people looking at things and finding opportunities. Hmm. you know um, those who got in HP love it. He never reads my comments fully. I know. Can you check out BITO 25? Okay, I will. I'll take a look. What time is it, Kim? I'll take a look. Mm, no, absolutely not, Pablo. Absolutely not. And we want to build a community. It's funny when people come into Discord, people have an expectation that, oh, like, you know we're gonna tell them like what to do and do this. But when you come into Discord, like, we want to make sure you know how to set a stop loss first of all. Musty. Unbelievable. We want to know that when you buy something, you have an idea of what you're doing. We want to make sure that you have ideas to, you have the opportunity to find ideas before anybody else does, right? So anyways, here comes the BIT. Does someone say BTIO? Love it. Yep. John loves BITO. Jeff loves it. Yi loves it. Josh loves it. There must be something in, like, the first letter in your names. Uh, for a long position. Okay. And also the divvy is pretty nice. That dividend for BITO is really, really nice. Nvidia looks okay this morning. It's still holding 120, so that's good. BITO. Sold at 70% of the shares at 41 this morning. Come on, Alan, give me a high five. Well done. So you're looking at BITO and you're seeing support at 25. Um, that's the 4 hour time frame, and it's pointing towards yes. Yeah. Yeah, that looks good. That actually looks like a nice little retest of 25. So you're getting really close to this demand zone. So you might dip a little bit more if you but it's a long term position anyways, and the closer you get to this 200, the better. So this last dip closer to like 23 was perfect, right? The last time BITO was below the 200 EMA was October 2023. So since then, it's been bouncing up the 200. It's been getting close to that demand zone above the 200 and bouncing. So the 200 demand zone above, bounce, right? Kind of a demand zone, but we broke below and then bounced right back up, right? So this morning, it looks like BITO is sitting around this price. So if we can stay in and around this level, that'd be fine. Again, if it's a long term position, I think you're going to be okay. If Bitcoin is if BITO is breaking below the 200, that means Bitcoin is looking sus, and then you really have a problem. But for now, I think close to 25. I think that's a pretty nice spot. Do you flip the in your car? Does it do anything? I don't do it because I always have sunglasses in the car. Plus, I think the visor is pretty useless. But I do flip it once in a while if the sun is like all over the place, then fine. You know what's funny is people always send me DMs now, and they have to remind me to read the DMs in my head because I will spill your DMs on stream. I'm like, uh, anyways, uh, okay, let me go look. Let me go look at Virus's DM. Oh, that's funny. I love it. Mm, choo choo. PPSI. 7.1 million dollars. One of the largest U.S. School districts. Interesting. Too funny virus. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Alrighty. Okay, so it looks like KITT is still holding 30 cents, so that's good. Kazin is slowly losing those gains, but it's holding above 19 pennies. So let's see if we can stay above 19 pennies. These two are kind of dead for now. TPET is retesting the 20 EMA. Let's see if we can stay above that level. Alrighty. And then let me take a look at some of these other ones here. Hmm. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Let's see if that thing can stay above the 200. I'm just gonna leave it on TPET for now because I want to see if that thing can stay above the. It's spamming. SRFM. Yeah, is that the first time? It was, wasn't it? It was. This looks like profit taking going into the open, doesn't it? Profit taking into the open. That's your watch list, Lion. TPET, QSG. Okay. Yeah, let's see. Let's see what this one does as the market opens. Do, 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 do. What is that? 75. It's like a mini breakout. Do, 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 do. Uh, mm, do, do. Okay, perfect. Depends on rectangle box. I mean, we may not be grumpy today. Don't be grumpy, please. Where's Vance? I know, right? I have no idea. Yeah, let me see if I can message. Mm, yeah, that looks like a double bottom of 42.60 for TPET. 42.60. Mm. Blaze is sliding into DMs. Oh my goodness. Wild. Anyways, let me leave my DMs, please. DMs of after the stream, you know. Okay, let's focus on stonks. Let's focus on stonks, please. Before everything kind of seems to be testing a base for now, though. I do like how KITT is slowly curling up the bottom. So hopefully, when the market opens, we can go back at some point and retest the top of the range. So back in the 40s, I'd really like to see that thing stay above 30 cents today. Already, so all the dip skis to like 32 to 30 cents. Those might be opportunities for dip buying. Hopefully, if we can stay above 30 cents, right? GME obviously had a nice bounce into the close yesterday. Memories? What do you mean overflowing? He ran off with who? What? What happened? Michael, good morning. Um, I need to stay away from the drama this morning. You know, somebody keep me focused. He's streaming. That's so rude. I know. Do you see? Do you hear that? By the way, let me mute my Discord. Let me mute my Discord because it can be annoying if you're listening on stream. Oh my goodness. Anyways. Okay, okay, fine. There we go. So GME had that nice little bounce into the close yesterday. It looks like we dipped in pre-market and it's kind of recovering for now. So let's see if we can get back above $25 and just stay and consolidate. But anything in the low 20s for now, GME seems to be holding. So I really hope that it stays above. What was her name? Do you remember? Who? Remember who? Uh, Old girlfriend? I don't. Too early. I don't know. Anyways, okay, so this one is going sideways for now, so there's really nothing to see. TPET obviously we like, but we might see a sell off into the open here and then go from there. Uh, my goodness. And then let me take a look at KWE here. Unbelievable. We need a chat for like for the hooligans, and then we need a chat for like people, for the stock people. We need to break the chat into two. Send Jeff and Peter to the other chat. Cool, cool. I approve that message. Yeah, Kaizen does look like it's trying to curl off like 19 cents here, which I don't mind actually. So if you're holding Kaizen, just make sure that we stay above this 19 penny level. I say 19 cents, but it's more like 19.30. But again, so yeah, just stay above 19 cents, stay above the 200 EMA as well. Let's see if volume can kick in when the market opens. Alrighty, so again, if you're watching this play for an entry, if you're in it already, watch 19 cents ish there. KITT, like I said earlier, we need to stay above like 32 at 30 cents. If we can, then that's perfect. And then TPET, it looks like a double bottom, doesn't it? 42.60, 42.50, right? On my next, after complimenting him, rubbish. You finally sold it, William? Okay, good. Yeah, it looks like we're holding for now. Going into the open. I agreed to a non-stock chat. You want to join the hooligans? Oh my goodness. Must you want to join the hooligans too? Everybody wants to join the hooligans. Should have stopped him so he could never leave. Unbelievable. 44 cents. It's going to take a while to. SRFM. Here we go, TPET. That's a nice little curl off the bottom there. A nice little curl. The only problem we're gonna have here though is when we go into the open, there's no telling which way the volume comes in. There's no telling. You're gonna have a whole bunch of people wanting to take profits. You're gonna have people wanting to buy. The question is who wins. Hello Hamza, Monty. Good morning. Um, Fire memes. Really? Oh Lord, have mercy. The hooligans have more fun. Yeah. Yup. 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 Let me take a look. SRFM. SRFM. That's a nice push. That's a nice little push there. Yeah, that thing's been spammed in Discord a few times now, I think. Yep. Nice push. 36 pennies. Interesting. 23 cents yesterday. Overnight, do you know if it's a good play to sell today? Pre-market high 43 cents and then went for a dip close to 30 cents. Tom, don't mind that at all. I don't mind you taking profits. Again, the issue is you've missed the top already. So you're hoping that we get back up there. At least for now, though, you should have a stop loss. This thing should not go back to 23 cents and you're in there, please. Okay. Um, yeah. So I don't mind that plan at all. Just don't let it go below. Just don't let it go back to where you got in at because then you've just wasted your time. Ayo, highest vibe. Um, Looks like we're failing there a little bit. We're coming back to the bottom. I just think it's the case of approaching the open. People are starting to secure some profits. So you want to be cautious when you're looking for brand new positions. 10 minutes into the open, 20 minutes into the open, you could catch people. You could buy and people sell, and then you hold the bag. So be careful. All of these stocks just kind of look sus now. They all look a little bit suspicious. Kazin is still holding that 19 though, which is good. Seems to be forming a nice little bottom there. Um, PCSA with a bit of a pop. Why do you? Anyways, I'm gonna scroll back to the top here and look at TPET. Um, I just want to go back to when the news was initially posted on TPET, guys. Could not be loaded. Do. Let's see. I'm just gonna. Did you hear that? In the Jacks and the Beanstalk, did you hear that Jack got jacked in the Jack and Beanstalk? No, I did not. Who told you that, Pizza? Who told you that? Tell them no more jokes, please. Anyways, so again, this is another case of if you're not a member in Discords, you're missing out, right? That TPET news came out, and again, TPET was getting spammed in Discord. I'm just posting some of the few screenshots that were posted, right? So the news came out, as you can see on the left hand side, at 8:13 a.m. in the morning, 8:13 a.m. Eastern time, right? So and then after that, everybody started spamming TPET, right? So again, 8:13 is when the news came out, and it was posted in Discord. So now if I go to the chart and I look at the chart for 8:13 a.m. Eastern time, when it was posted in Discord, guys, this is 8:13 a.m. right there, right there, right there. This is 8:13 a.m. in the morning. All right. So again, that was at 26.27 cents, right? So if you're not a member in Discord, you're missing these things as they play out. So from that price to boom, 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 and here we are finding a brand new base around 43, 42, right? So again, if you're not a member in Discord, you're missing out. Uh, You're missing out. So make sure you come join us in Discord if you're not a member. Alrighty. Click the link at the bottom of the chat. Come join us in Discord. You're joining today, Fair Mixture. Come join us. Is it too late to get in? Should I wait for some consolidation, Cameron? Again, this is your consolidation at the bottom of 42, 43 cents ish for TPET, right? Like it's building a nice little base, which is usually what we are looking for. And there goes your bounce. It's trying to break that little uptrend that it's forming there. But again, you can see the consolidation of, ooh, there it goes, right? So 42, 43 cents consolidation and pop, 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 right? So Mullen just had some news, guys. Mullen, the state of Massachusetts issues MOR EV approval, granting Mullen's Class 3 EV truck a $15,000 cash voucher per vehicle sold. I don't know how Mullen gets these deals. I don't know how Mullen just gets these discounts. Remember, like California offered Mullen like for what is it, $17,000 discounts, $40,000, something like that per vehicle. They're like, if you want to buy a Mullen, $47,000 off. There's a reason for that though. I don't know how they're getting it. It's wild. Anyways, so if you bought the consolidation of the bottom there for TPET, good job. You might have to scale out as we go up, just because again we are pretty damn close to the market opening. So just be careful, please. I'm just looking here, make sure all of these channels are working. Make sure they are working. There we go. So we'll fit right in. There you go. 47 pennies. There it goes. 47 pennies. KITT is looking weak still. We are failing at the VWAP for now, so 36 cents. So 32 to 30 cents. That's the support to watch for now. Kaizen is still holding 19 cents. And some of the other ones are just kind of playing games for now. Alrighty. What's the float on this thing? 10 million. That's it. Mm. Mm-hmm. 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 What's Peter saying? Should I get another 250? Yeah, you should, Peter. You should while you wait, and then get another one for FOMC, or not FOMC, like CPI in the morning, because you're gonna be awake anyways. You're gonna be awake anyways. True, 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 true. Awakes anyways. Okay, moving on. TPET. Yeah. So TPET is still holding that beautiful bottom. You're Jax. You need to stop. You need to stop encouraging pizza. In all the ways, not futures, but anyways. Lucas says, quick question: buy 10 shares this morning, sell them today at three different times, five shares, 3 shares, and 2 shares. Day trade. um well, switch to a cash account, Lucas, and then that's not even a problem. You don't have to worry about day trades anymore. Please. Right? Don't worry about day trades anymore, please and thank you. So switch to a cash account, please and thank you. Please. Leave her alone. Leave her alone. Do 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 do. Hmm. That candle close above? That's an interesting candle. Get him, pizza. Kina. Anyways, I'm just gonna ignore you two, pizza and Jax. Just gonna ignore them in the chat. Good morning, Alu. Please look at MCRB. What's your position in that play? What's your question? Let me know. What is your question? Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Okay. A lot of these stocks that look really good in pre-market don't look so good anymore. GME is down 50 cents now. Kaizen is still holding 19 cents, but it's still trending down. We're getting consistent lower highs on this thing. BWAQ. This is the one that Peter traded this morning. Good thing you sold that thing, Pizza, because it's looking for the abyss. CYN is getting spammed a lot on social media. It does seem to be finding a nice little base at 11 cents. So let's see if we can stay above 11 cents. And then obviously TPET is the one that looks the most promising going into the open, you know? So let's see. Uh, the system is down, really? That's rubbish. How could you? Exactly, Jeff. This is harassment, you know? Good morning, Magdi. Options. It doesn't allow you to trade options. Well, then you have a cash account for your trades, right? Your 10 shares, and then have your options because you're not going to be selling options like that, are you? Uh, yeah, Schwab is not working. That's crazy. Yours seems to be working. Uh, what are my thoughts on PRSTW? Like the warrants, random stuff. PRST as yeah. Just let me know. Are you in a position, random? Let me know. Or are you looking for a position? Exactly. Get a cash accounts, guys. Yee, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Anyways, Jax didn't even say good morning, guys. She just came in with violence. Just straight violence is what she came in with. Straight violence. Uh, your TPET? Oh, I see. Hmm. That thing is looking a bit sus, isn't it? Yeah, no, TPET is still holding the bottom of the range. We have about another 8 minutes before the market opens. How am I? Anyways, good morning, Sly. How do you feel about KITT today? Small position at 32 cents, Victor. I don't mind. I like it, obviously. So as long as we stay above, again, I don't mind your entry actually. Right, 32 to 30 cents. I think that's a good level. So if we can stay above that, I don't mind at all. So let's see what happens when the market opens. Though the usual concern when you go into the open is people take profits, right? So hopefully people don't take profits enough that like the stock is breaking below support. So hopefully it stays above that level. You like CGC? Yeah, I know someone else that should like CGC, but anyways, I'm not gonna name any names. Just a small play popping off 300% runs into the morning pre-market. That's a different stock then. So PRSTW. Hmm. You like the product? You really like the product, Veronica? Uh huh. Uh huh. Uh huh. 300% runs into the morning pre-market. PRSTW. I can't find that stock. Random stuff. The only thing I find is the warrant for PRST, and those warrants are not up 300%. So I'm not sure if I don't have it or if it's just something completely different. Um, yeah, it was. That was on the watch list. It is on the watch list for sure today. So I mentioned in Discord this morning that I don't mind it as long as it stays above 1740. So if it stays above 1740, I don't mind. Alrighty. So when we dip closer to that level, actually it tends to bounce. So 1740 to 1780 seems to be a bit of a base for now. So hopefully it stays above that level. That thing has a lot of hype for some reason though. It's just not doing it. Like it just doesn't have it. I did. Yeah. What a funny business. I don't know how Mullen is getting those discounts, but they're getting it. They're getting it though. So TPET is still looking good going into the open here. Hopefully we stay above this nice little demand zone at 42, 43 cents. Steve, yes. What's your question? Oh, there's Steve, guys, driving through boring Indiana. Yeah, Pyro wanted to say good morning earlier, so we were saying good morning to you. We thought you were listening, but you just joined us. Pizza, thank you for the super chat again. There goes T-Ped with another pop. Hi there, Dan. I'm not gonna say anything because Dan is gonna start defending Jax as well. Unbelievable, unbelievable. Anyways, tell the story of how you fell off the swing. So I went to the park with this weird person, right? Like when I said like a weird person, and so, anyways, long story short, they pushed me off the swing. But yeah, VHAI, I'll take a look. You couldn't stay away. I'm listening now. Chicago was rush hour. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, no, TPED looks good. The last little push we had for TPED, we failed at 47. We have about another 4 minutes. Hopefully, we can break above that stupid resistance. Alrighty, so 47 cents looking like a double top for now. I've mentioned this a few times before. Um, right? So when you look at breakouts it above the highs of the day, it could just be the last resistance. So in this case, it's that last pivot right there at 47.10. That's your new resistance for TPET. And then obviously we have a lot of support close to 43 cents at the bottom, right? So hopefully when the market opens, people are not dumping this thing. They're actually FOMOing. But either way, it's been a nice run, right? Like I said earlier, if you're not a member yet, you're missing out, right? TPET was spammed all over Discord this morning in the 20s, right? Well, high 20s, right? So as soon as the news came out, it was spammed in Discord. So again, if you're not a member, you're missing out. So make sure you come join us in Discord. Click the link at the bottom. Uh, let's see. I stop hanging out with weird people, Megan. I know, right? Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Anyways, so it looks like we held that the bottom range for AISP there. It's holding for now, which is good. The damn thing just needs to break out though, right? It needs to break and close above that the top of the range. So let me just kind of do a little. I'm just gonna use lines. It makes it a little bit easier for me here. Uh, I might have to move this a little bit lower here. I do like how it's forming some higher lows here, though. Hopefully, I can make it a bit more appealing, but yeah, it really needs to break above the top of the range because for some reason it just can't do it, right? But we shall see if it actually does. If it actually breaks the top of the range, then TPET, as you can see, clearly we're failing at the top as well. For at 47 for now. Yeah, Ken. Yeah, Ken needs a Lambo, guys. We need to break about 50 cents. Uh, let's see. Good morning, Bernard. Has news, Ray? Yeah. Uh, sent me my money already and back in. Thank you, Discord. Let's go, Megan. Let's go. Congratulations. Again, if you're not a member, you're missing out on these plays. We'll use and I not finished the Pablo. Yes. You'd like to hear the weird person side of the story, really? You and Veronica and Jax, you guys would like to hear? No, it doesn't matter. Anyways, the market just opened, guys. Ooh, there we go. I guess. Let's see. Two. Let's see if that thing can actually stay above it though, because that's pretty annoying, isn't it? That is pretty annoying that it's breaking and not really holding. So it really needs to stay above it. And here comes another retest again, which is silly. Mustafa, yeah, it's trying to go. Trying to go. Come on, give us the push, give us the push. Anyways, TPET also looks amazing, guys, right? So TPET is cooking. The other one's cooking. Everybody's cooking. It's going to be dinner time. Ooh, TPET. Cook, TPET, cook. 50 cents, guys. That looks amazing. Amazing. Uh, yeah. Good morning, Claudia. Everyone is in this 1 minute time frame. No, not necessarily. I use the 1 minute time frame because, um, but that's a nice little pop, Ken. Especially at the open. Make sure your stop loss is moving higher, right? So I'd like to see this candle stay above 47 cents though. Like close above 47 cents would be nice. Already. 47 cents, really, really important there. Kazin is bouncing up the 200, which is good. I just got an alert, but I'm not sure where that alert is from. That's U1, by the way. The Juneteenth play, right? So there goes BURU with a bit of a bounce. So again, as long as BURU stays above that 1740, I don't mind. It's going for 19 cents there, which is good. Obviously, we talked about this one, right, guys? If you're in this one, type in yes. If you're in AISP, type in yes in the chat. I think Virgo's in there. I think who else is in this play? There goes 391. There it goes. Come on, send it. Can you get above $4 already here? Send it, send it, send it, send it. The spread on that thing is actually quite impressive, isn't it? Come on and send it. Send it. Give us $4 already. Boom skis, guys. Boom skis. Boom skis, guys. There we go. $4. La la la. Let's go, Brad. Send it. $4. Come on. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. By the way, if you missed the signal in Discord, it's because you're not a legend member, perhaps. Perhaps. So that was your play posted in Discord, guys. Right. So again, a break and close above 370. Send it. Right. So that was your play. You have your entry. You have your stop loss. Easily set on the plate for you to eat. So you can eat on the plate. Right. So nice little breakout there on that play. Alrighty. So again, if you're not a member yet, missing out. Missing out. I'm just gonna quickly edit these things here, and then Rob can fix that. There we go. There you go. 10 million. La 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 la. Sending it. There goes $4.10, guys. $4.10. Ooh, 417, guys. Ooh, we was sending it. Sending it 420. 420 is gonna 420 is always a level to be careful at though, right? So you want to be cautious around these prices here. Every time we get close to these numbers, people tend to take profits anyways. So just be careful. Good morning, Richard. Ooh, I'm getting more alerts. I'm not sure where these alerts are coming from, but my computer is spamming today. It's like alert this, alert that, alert this, alert that. It's trying to go. Okay. Alert this, alert that. Send it. There goes new highs, guys. Ooh wee. Ooh wee. Ooh wee. Ooh wee. Ooh wee. Ooh wee. Uh, there you go. Um, if you made money in AISP or you're still in there, type in yes in the chat. Type in yes in the chat if you're still in this one. Ooh, TPET is dipping. But again, you should be taking profits, especially at the open at a double top, close to 50 cents, please. Right, that was a really nice run, really nice run. So, and at 420 for AISP, that's kind of a tough level, isn't it? So, it's not like any of these levels are like, oh, surprise, no, right? We know 50 cents is a problem for TPET. We know 420 is a problem for AISP. So, um, yeah. He has to see what happens. Oh Lord. Well, there we go. We're about to break below $4, huh? Pizza is gonna ruin this, Jax. Just watch. Just watch. And there it goes. There it goes. Pizza doesn't like nice things, you know? He doesn't like nice things. In then out, are waiting to go back in. Okay, sounds good. Profit on love it. Timothy. So Gordon, so you made $257 on KITT, in at 32 cents, out at 36. Love it. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. Mm-mm. Uh there goes 390, guys. You should be taking profits on the way up anyways. You should have a stop loss anyways, right? And then go from there. For TPET, yeah, let it sell off, right? People are taking profits, markets just open, let people take profits, let's see if we consolidate. Alrighty? There's nothing wrong with that at all. So again, if you become a member, make sure you sign up for the right level because I think someone else became a member earlier. Sayori. I think I'm pronouncing your name like. Anyways, welcome to the community. Welcome to Legends. Welcome, 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 welcome. This is your invite at the bottom of the chat. So click this invite and then come join us in Discord. Alrighty, welcome. So there goes your TPET dip. AISP is bouncing, guys. If we can stay above the 20 EMA and the chrono, I don't mind at all. Right? Can we get back above 420 now? That thing said screw pizza, guys. Screw pizza. Pizza can suck it. Come on, give us 420 again. So again, a retest of the kernel and the 20 EMA. If it can stay above that level, that's completely fine. On the left-hand side, this is BWAQ. That's one. That's going to be Pablo's favorite name today. And then Tesla. What's Tesla doing? Oof, nasty. Tesla's at 170. Tesla's at 170, guys. Good morning, Rose. Tesla is at 170. Tesla's as useless as. Alan said, "Thank you for the AISP alert. I was in and out early, and then looking for phone and saw the alert and went in and made monies. Let's go, Alan. Well done. I love it. Hopefully that thing can stay above the 9 and we can keep pumping Alan for more scalpies. But congratulations. Anybody else take the alert in Discord, guys? Type in yes if you took the alert. Oh lordy. Um, there you go. 420, guys. 420. 420. Let's go, Gary. There we go. 428. Come on, give us more. 427. Give us more, useless donk. Give us more. So that thing needs to close above 420 though, if it wants to go higher. Alrighty. That thing needs to close above 420 if it wants to go higher. So as long as we stay above 30 cents, as long as we stay above 30 cents, I mentioned earlier, like between 32 and 30 cents, I don't mind that range for potential plays. Peter, don't worry, it's gonna keep pumping. There's no hope for you this time. I've implored. I contacted the people from the village. Pizza is pretty. Anyway, so yeah, double top for now at 420. As long as we don't close above 420, it looks like a double top. We need to close above 420 to keep pumping. Yeah, the entire market. So here we go again. 422. 422. There goes 425. Just close above 420 and then let's send it. 426, 428. New highs of the day, by the way, 430 for AISP. So that's looking good. That's looking good. 430, guys. 432. Keep going. Keep going. Fair mixture. Welcome to the community. I'm going to send you an invite in a second. 440, guys. 440. Come on. Send it. Give us that 450 test. And dipskis. So let's see if we can at least find a base above 450, above 420. That thing looks impressive though, doesn't it? Like it looks like it just wants to send it, and there it goes. That thing looks like it just wants to cause violence. Like it wants to cause violence. There we go, 440. 40%. Send it. Well done, Gary. Your membership is paid for, right? Fair, make sure welcome to the community. This yellow link at the bottom, that's your Discord invite. So just click the link and follow the steps in the Getting Started channel. Yeah, that's the low. Okay. So like I said, be careful, close to 450, guys. There goes people taking profits, right? So if we can consolidate above 420, that'd be a good thing. But for now, we know that's resistance. No dance. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. 1 second. How's that even a thing? 1 second. I just need to quickly get another link here. Okay, there we go. And that's the wrong browser. Choo, 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 doo, doo. Choo, 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 doo, doo. Perfect. 480. No, that's if line, yeah. If we can actually break above 450, that's if we can actually clear that level. Um, yeah. So KITT, yeah, that thing had a nice little wick, but that wick still closed about 30 cents, right? So the close of the candles really matter. So this 32 to 30 cent area for KITT is acting as a nice little base. If we can stay above it, Tesla just looks sus. Right? Maybe it's going to eventually bounce off that level. TPET really hasn't given us anything at the open except for maybe now that it's holding 38. I think we mentioned 37 early this morning, right? So if we can reclaim 40 cents and consolidate above 40 cents for TPET, that might be a play again. So 38-ish support. We need to consolidate, reclaim the 9 EMA above 40 cents, and then go from there. Cool, cool. And then KITT again. Hopefully we can stay above 30 cents at least. AISP looking like flames. That thing has been holding the 9 EMA, right? So you know what's funny, guys? This little arrow that we drew earlier played out really nicely, right? Look at this. Look at our fun arrow, guys. Look at this, right? So that little trend line we drew earlier, right? So we just kept going like this and back down and back up and higher low and then boom skis, right? So that played out really nicely. Again, if you took this play, congratulations, Karan. Good job on VHAI, by the way. So as long as like AISP stays above the 9 EMA, I like it a lot, right? So there goes $4.45 new highs of the day. Mara, okay, I'll take a look. Ski. Oh, I see. Okay, that's interesting actually. Yeah, so 450 is going to be a bit of a solid level, isn't it? PRST with a bit of a push. Okay, let me take a look at Mara. You know what's getting slapped this morning? GME is getting slapped. Mara. Marathon. Oh yeah, Mara looks really interesting there, doesn't it, Virus? There's a bit more room to the downside, but it's tapping the 200. Tapping the 200s. About this morning, yeah, exactly, Virus. Yeah, so that thing is tapping the 200 above 17 there. If we can stay above that level, that'd be fun. So there goes TPET, guys. TPET is trying to consolidate at 38, right? So that consolidation is huge, right? We keep talking about consolidation. You could have easily looked at this stock and said, "Oh, maybe it has support here. Maybe it has support here." Nobody cares though, right? Until that thing is actually consolidating, it doesn't have anything. So consolidation, perfecto. Back to AISP, that thing is stalling right below 450, which again is to be expected, right? To be expected. Tesla's at 169, guys. These guys are slapping Tesla before that vote. Oof. Again, the entire market is red, but Tesla is getting entered. Entered. Doo-doo-doo. $20 strike in 18. Okay, 7.5. Okay, sounds good. There goes your dip, guys. Right? If you're buying this thing at 450, you're asking for problems anyways, right? So we know 450-ish area. Anyway, at 10 cents close to that level, you have a problem. So should you be buying that thing at that price? Not unless it breaks above and retest. Right. For now, we're retesting 420. So let's see if we can kind of find a base in and around that level. If not, again, let it consolidate there. Cool, 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 cool. They don't scare me. Let's go. Let's go. Oh yeah. The options cooking. Yeah, Apple is coming back to green. La 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 la. Oh yeah, yeah. Mara got destroyed. By the way, in the range for a bit, it's becoming annoying. I think it's going to be like that. Yeah, it is, Sky. A lot of people are saying that it's down. TPET is curling really nicely, guys. Look at that beauty, right? Again, this is why I think it's really important to have candles in front of you, right? Can you see that? Type in yes if you can see the consolidation, guys. Type in yes if you can see it bottoming. Just type in a yes in the chat. I think it's going to be like this, Victoria, because we have FOMC and CPI on Wednesday tomorrow. I think it's going to be chaos, right? Just give me a yes if you can see it. That's all I'm asking for, right? So this is why we keep preaching. Please have candles in front of you because if you're gonna buy something, obviously TPET is the shiniest toy in the morning. So everybody's watching this stock. But you can clearly see that these candles are sell. Look at these candles. Like that's a lot of selling pressure. That's a lot of blood, blood, blood. And then all of a sudden it stops crashing. Maybe this is the level that you buy at. Kel says yes, in at 40 cents. And then you get a bit of a pop, right? So sometimes when you're exactly virus back above the 9 EMA and a pop to resistance, 44 cents, right? So from consolidating to resistance, right to the white line. Um, so again, this is why we keep preaching technical analysis, right? If you're not sure what to do, again, sign up for one-on-one for a month, learn how to read the charts, and then let's go from there, right? Stop relying on people on social media. Stop relying on random people on YouTube's, right? So not us, obviously. I'm just saying, like other people, other people that tell you to FOMO into a stock and then they give you crazy price targets, right? Rely on yourself because it's gonna feel amazing when you can look at these things and you're like, "Ooh, I see it. I'm gonna go in," and then you make money. That's then it's going to change, right? Now you have the control, you have the control within your. Anyways, yeah, don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. Please and thank you. There goes your dip, right to resistance, and then dip ski surprise, maybe not. So don't forget to smash a like if you haven't already, guys. I would really appreciate that. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel, and if you're not a member yet, come join us in Discord. Click the link at the bottom. If you're not a legend member, you're missing out, right? So again, really good signal this morning for AISP. So if you took this signal, congratulations, right? Some of you guys got in at like 360, right? Because it played in that range when that signal when we send that signal, right? So and then obviously had a nice little pop, and it's still kind of playing with $4 for now. So let's see if we can dip, consolidate, and then curl back up. Cool. Tesla is getting destroyed. Like when I say destroyed, that thing is getting entered. Destroyed. How does MCRB look? Again, Job, are you in a position? Let me know if you are, and I'll take a look, please. They're going to, yeah, isn't it crazy, Musty? Yeah, they're going to destroy those GME puts. They're going to get those things out of the money. If GME closes below $20, I'm going to bow to the market makers. I'm going to get on my knees and clap. You're like, wow, market makers, wow. You guys really destroyed the damn thing. Anyways, so it looks like we're kind of consolidating here for AISP. Um, yeah, I guess Kitty. Yeah, not able to trade because the app is down. I think that's so stupid. How's the app down when the market is open? You know, they could have done this thing at any point, any other points. You know. Here we go. 77, 74. Oh, nice Yi. Nice. Oracle. I like it. Well done. Yamaguchi, I'm going to take a look. So there goes 425 trying to curl here, AISP. And guess who's back? TPET. TPET is back to the bottom of the range. So 38 cents watchtower level. Let me take a look at VHAI here. La 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 la. Yeah, slow and steady. It looks good. Looks really good. Slow and steady. Holding the 9 EMA, holding the 20. Looks good. Spreading fast. Vaccine stocks might be a good play today, Julie, if they actually gain momentum, right? So we're gonna keep a close eye on them. Names like ISPC, AEMD, all of those names um, is having a. I'm unable to message in Discord. Fair, make sure that's because you haven't followed the steps yet. So when you go to Discord, if you're using a computer, on the bottom left hand side, click on the settings wheel. If you're using a computer, bottom left, click on the settings wheel, click on connections, click on YouTube, and sign in, and you're good to go. You're going to be able to see everything. If you're unable to send messages, again, just go to the Getting Started channel. There's a video at the bottom that explains how to connect. It's really quick. Connect, and you're good to go. Alrighty. Uh, the still expensive, yeah, that's because again volatility is the expectation there. So there you go, guys. Um, so there you go, more consolidation, right? Can you see the consolidation for AISP, guys? Can you see it? Yeah, you can. Yes, you can. Right? Again, sell off. Look at these candles. My question is, if a stock is consolidating for a few candles, I'd rather take the risk of that level because I know that if it goes below, I just get rid of it. Or if it bounces, I just move my stop loss higher. Right? So consolidating is really, really good. 50, 51 cents. Yeah. So it looks like we're finding a little bit of resistance, like TPET and AISP. They're bouncing, but they're not quite bouncing to the highs that we were, at. But they're bouncing though, right? Trying to. Yeah, the longer FFIE stays below a dollar, I think the more skeptical people become, The more skeptical people become. Mm, I don't know how you're doing that, Sky. Yeah, you have some other stuff though, but yeah, you're missing out on Tesla. Tesla is crashing. Like Tesla puts is just money. How many times do we have to say this, guys? Tesla puts is going to be the easiest money you ever make. Every time, every day we say this at least once. Tesla puts easy monies. Tesla puts easy monies. One of these days it's not. But for now, every single day, Tesla puts monies. You buy Tesla puts, you wake up, you're like, it's gonna be a good day. You haven't even looked yet, you just know it's gonna be a good day. There's Tesla. Tesla's always getting slapped. What a trash stock. Absolute garbage. Um, from 1 billion to zero. Seriously, Musty. From 1 billion to zero, guys. How do you do that? Anyways, yeah, that's the type of dude that. Virgo, are you holding Tesla puts? There goes 430. Anyways, is Apple really almost back to 200? Apple is actually crushing it today. Apple looks amazing. Are you still holding those calls? When we were streaming yesterday, Sky got into some Apple calls, some 205s. Mm. Okay. For Schwab. Oh, he better. Otherwise, we're gonna say Jaden broke. Anyways, TPET is still bouncing off the same bottom, guys. So that's good. We like bottoms, don't we? Yeah, we like double bottoms. So that thing holding 38 cents, TPET, that's a good thing. It just needs to go back about 40 cents and stay its bottom above that level. VHAI is looking nice and consistent, triplex. I know. Karan is in this one, so good job, Karan. Well done. Karan has been spamming this one. Let's see. Da-la-la. La la la. Steve? Yeah, there's Steve. Let's go, Steve. Yeah, Apple is about to push for 200. 11 cents. Let's moon. Congratulations, Daniel. Congratulations. Let's see what this one looks like. And then let's see what this one looks like. Interesting. Logging into I think a swim. Yeah. You guys have issues in the States. Like I'm fine, but it's the same platform. But you guys, anyways. Faye, make sure you're good to go now. Like, is it connected? You called option for what, pizza? Didn't fail. For what? Come on, can we get a bounce? This should be enough dips at the open, you know? Can we get a bounce now, AISP? Um, GME? Oh, okay. There he goes. GME is like, not GME. AISP is like, yeah, well, why? Yes, of course. And using all in one tool is sort of working. Okay. There you go. $4.35. If you're still holding, if you're still, oof, 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 oof. Hopefully this candle isn't a scam though. Hopefully it's not a scam. Hopefully it's not a scam. Just break out. 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 Just go. Just go. Just send it. Just go. Just go. Mm, there we go. Yeah, that candle needs to push and close above 450 if we want to keep pumping here. That was a nice little pop. If you're still holding, you need. I know you need the dance. If you're still holding AISP, type in yes in the chat. Isn't working either, Lincoln. Yeah, that's so stupid. You got stopped out, Josh. TPET. Yeah, that thing broke below 38. Hopefully you kept a tight stop loss though. Alan, you're still in there? Monies. Let's go, Virgo. Megan. Keep calling you Megan. Congratulations, guys. Well done. Well done. Well done. Well done. Well done. Yeah, KITT broke below that 38. So now your next support is closer to 35. Cool. This one never really did anything. KITT though, that thing is really bouncing off 28. Back to 33 cents. Nice push. Nice push. Wait, did I not have that in there? Don't think so. Okay, here we go. And VURU. Okay, you're finally able to log in now. Okay, maybe it's gonna start working for everybody else. Yeah, so this kind of looks like a double top just because we had a crazy push on this candle all the way up there to 450. These candles really hold, right? Like when you see fat green candles like this, they're almost nice to take profits on, because they really hold. So for now, we still need to get back above this last little double top and actually close above and then push. And then push AISP and then push 4. There you go. Hey, kitty, kitty, kitty. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I can't believe that, dude. But anyways, let me look at GME again. Yeah, GME is bouncing now, so that's good. If that thing can go from red to green, that'd be good. So yeah, closer to the low 20s might be a level that we bounce from and go back to $30 and above. That would be nice. So I think people would really panic if GME broke below $20. So for now, if they can keep bouncing off 22, 23, 21, stay above $20. Because if it goes below that level, chaos. Yeah, he does. He does. I bet you he will at some point. I bet you at some point he will. Come on, AISP, give us the breakout. I keep forgetting that profile. That's not exactly the level that I'm looking for. Is it? Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Here are my stupid stuff glitches. Uh, you think that's what he's doing? I don't think so though, because you could see you could actually track the options on a broker like an options website. Peter, 446, 448. Come on, give us the 450, 449. Give us the more. Give us more. BURU. Yeah, look at that beautiful double bottom actually. So 1740 for BURU, guys. Anybody still holding BURU in the chat? Anybody? So again, we talked about the 1740 level earlier, right? Look at that left hand side bottom and look at the right hand side bottom. So double bottoms. Yeah, KITT looks nice. So again, BURU, beautiful double bottom. If you bought the double bottom, congratulations, right? So 1740, KITT with a really nice bounce. So if you bought the dipskis, if you're still in there, congratulations. Would you not sell? But I think it's different though, Peter, because the dude again. So and like I kind of said this on whenever he was on, right? The dude has a lot of money, like a lot of money. Right? So maybe like 25 million to the dude is nothing because he made 500 million, on the last run or whatever, right? So I really don't think like to him. I don't think it's about the money. I think it's about something else. First of all, like proving that the market is rigged, because every time the stock would crash, he would laugh, right? Every time he would say something, he would actually like say something and look for the dip. Remember when he said he was leaving? He's like, I'm gonna leave now. And then he said it again, I'm gonna leave now. And then the stock crashed and got halted. And then he started laughing. He's like, oh, see? I think he was trying to prove something. So always about the money. I think also he doesn't want to go to jail because then they might be coming after him for manipulating the market. And he's like, well, I'm not actually doing it because I'm losing money. Anyways, I don't know. Apple is going for 200 though. Apple looks nice. Apple looks nice. So it looks like we're getting some nice bounces. KITT looks really good. You can never win against it runs too deep. Exactly, Peter. You can't. So when people say, "Oh, we're fighting against the system, we're gonna stick it to the," who are you sticking it to? The only people you're sticking it to is anyways. Let me leave it there. You're not sticking it to anybody when you're working for your money and then putting it in the market and saying, you know what, we're gonna fight the system. During his stream, Michael, I think so too. We know the market is wild. Okay. Two. Ooh, let me see. Hmm. Okay, perfect. Stick it. Mm, I see. 1850, Victor. Yeah. The only annoying thing for BURU, Victor, is that the damn thing just keeps going up and down. You know what I mean? So now if that thing eventually comes back down and breaks below 1714, then you have a big problem. I think so too, Michael. So again, like I said, if you can stay above this double bottom, right, 1740, you're fine. Hopefully it stays above it. A short position. Show me someone who fought the system and still around. Yep. That's why I don't like Tesla as a stock. I need to stop chewing. That's why I don't like Tesla as a stock, because I think Tesla as a stock is Elon Musk. He's fighting the system. I think it's good for someone to fight the system. Make no mistake. Like, There's nothing wrong with someone fighting the system, right? Like we know the market is manipulated. Like it shouldn't be that way, right? We know Elon is fighting for good things. Somebody has to do it. But yeah, exactly, Mustafa. So it's a good thing. The things that people usually fight when something isn't right. Um, but yeah, I just I've seen a lot of people enter when they fight. So yeah. Anyways, yeah, GME is looking really good. Oof, that's a nice pop. GME going from red to green. So if you bought the dipskis on GME, congratulations. Right? Peter, one of those calls. Dang it. Peter, your calls never failed. Dang. Yeah, GME with a really nice pop. Apple is about to go above 200. It's really close. Really, really close. By the way, Apple tapped 200. Apple is at all-time highs. Isn't that funny? The market is red today. Apple is at all-time highs. Sky mentioned yesterday that the reason why he likes Apple is because Apple is a lot more valuable than a stock like NVIDIA, right? So Apple looks good today, really, really good. And what's interesting is usually when like GME pumped like this, they would halt it immediately. GME hasn't been halted yet. Look at that. GME is pumping and they're not halting it. Yeah, KITT looks nice. Look at these candles, guys. So people just had to take profits at the open and then boom skis. Profit taking and then boom skis, right? So KITT looks good. I feel like KITT is running because GME is also running. The kitties are running. Yeah, they just halted it at 26. Maybe we said something, guys. We said halt. They're like, oh yeah, oh yeah. They're like, oh yeah, you're pumping like that. Yeah, halt it, halt it, halt it. So, but yeah, and as GME is halted, KITT is also dipping. Um, yeah, probably must be. Even the bad hedge funds know when to buy at support, right? No, Apple doesn't like 200. 200 is a big level. It's just a matter of time, though. Good morning, Paige. Good morning. Good morning. Mm, exactly, virus. It's witchcraft. Yeah, frustrating, Victor. 94. Um, yeah, or $4. Yeah, let's see if we can stay above $4 on AISP. Right? If you're holding AISP, like when we get close to 450, right? So to be careful. Love it, Derek. Derek got in at 375, sold at $4, and then again at 425, and then out at 450. Love it. Love it. Love it. Right? So when we're getting close to 450 on a stock that we know 450 is resistance, you should really be like thinking about getting your stop loss really tight. Ronell, you missed it, right? You missed it. So now let's see if we consolidate at a different level. Let's see, virus. I always slacking on these. Why did you virus? What distance should a trailing stop loss be? Depends. Still don't have permission in Discord. Fair, make sure again. Make sure you're using the right email, please. Alrighty, so you have to use the right email and then you have to follow those steps. Um, so again, right email and then virus. It's the stream. There's always chaos, chaos, chaos. So follow again. Follow. Watch that last video at the bottom. Fair, make sure, and then make sure you're using the right email. If one email isn't working and you have another email, try that email. It's going to be Gmail, and it has to be the Gmail that's connected to your YouTube account. Peter, work time. Okay, sounds good. Have a good day, Peter. AISP is still consolidating at $4, so that's good. There it goes, 410. $4.10. 5 to 10 minutes, Conwell. Some cases longer, but yeah. Again, don't forget to smash the like, guys, if you haven't already, please and thank you. Let's get to 200 likes. We're slacking. Alrighty, so again, smash a like if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. And TPET, yeah, it's trying to up to 200 EMA, so 35-ish cents, right? 200, it will always be an important level. So it's bouncing off that level. So always watch the 200 on any time frame you're looking at. Sliz. And if you're not a member yet and you want to join us in Discord, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot. Come join us in Discord. Alrighty. Come join us in Discord. La 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 la. Come join us in Discord. Cool, cool. Again, if you're not a member, three plays, right? So obviously KITT. KITT looks nice, damn. Looking nice. Looking nice. So yeah, again, so if you're not a member, KITT is at 38 cents, guys. 38 cents for KITT, right? So again, if you're not a member, you're truly missing out, right? This thing was getting spammed in Discord, as you can see, right? At 13 something cents, right? GME on halted and back to 25. So again, from 13, 14 cents to 40 cents, and KITT is looking hot again, right? We're testing the highs of the day, session highs now. So again, if you're not a member, you're missing out, right? For TPET, TPET was posted this morning at 8:13 Eastern time at 27 cents, right? Obviously, that thing went all the way up to 50 pennies, right? So again, if you're not a member, you're missing out, right? All the way to 50 pennies. And for AISP, again, this one was put on a plate for you guys, right? So AISP with entry and stop loss and all of that stuff, right? So a bunch of you guys got into this one. Again, so AISP from 370 uh, and a nice little run all the way up there, right? So again, from that alert was all the way down there, right? And we were looking for consolidation and a higher low and then a breakout all the way up, right? All the way up. So again, if you're not a member, you're missing out on all these. So again, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbots. Come join us in Discord. Stop slacking. Invest in yourself. Don't invest in McDonald's, please. Don't invest in McDonald's because that's what a lot of you guys are doing. McDonald's and Starbucks. Do better. It's 2024. Do better. Stop closing your eyes and buying stonks. Seems to be synchronized with GME. Interesting. If you are learning, well, there you go, Gary. Gary, did you got into AISP? You just became a member 2 days ago, yesterday maybe. I don't know. Did your membership pay for itself, Gary? Is your membership paid for? 22.40 again from 29. Let's see where you can go this time. Yeah, no, it looks really good. We just need to clear 40 cents, right? So we made new session highs though, by the way, right? So new highs of the day on that last push, but not including pre-market. So pre-market high really close to 43 cents. So it's going to need to clear that level if it wants to go. Right? It's going to need to clear that level if it wants to go. Oh yeah. I don't know. that Schwab is a bit. It's- it's- stream alerts. There you go. We're back to 39. 39. Let's see. Are you buying small amounts to learn, Gary? Love it. Well done. So Megan says my membership is paid for multiple times over. I'm just a little trader too. Worth it. Let's go, Megan. Congratulations. Right. So again, if you're not a member, you're missing out. James, what's your? I'll take a look at. Are you in it or you're? Are you in it? I'll take a look. Brad, yeah, all the way up there. So for now, 40 cents, and then we look for that pre-market resistance high. Roger B says, any recommendation for a good broker? You're presently with Scotia I Trade. Do you live in Canada? It sounds like you live in Canada. Canada has limited options. But Webull is now in Canada as well, Roger. So you might be able to try that. Yeah, penny stock volume, explicits, looking at them. Josh says, to be honest, I've joined a few Discord. This is the best community I found thus far. Let's go, Josh. Let's go. Let's go. Let's cook. Yeah. So try Webull in Canada. Oh, interactive brokers, Roger, is a really common one that's available in all over the place. So you might be able to try interactive brokers. Those guys seem to work. Alrighty, VHAI looks like it dipped to retest the last breakout and then it's bouncing back up, so that's a good thing. And then let me take a look at BNRG. Is that the symbol? I think so. Through $1.08. Okay, so you're kind of green on this position for now, which is good. You're just looking for the next resistance then. Not a bad looking chart just because they've done a split and the stock has crashed, and you would think that like this thing would bounce off like 98 cents, a dollar, and then go boom skis. Your next resistance is a dollar 20, right where the 200 EMA is, right where the 9 EMA is sitting at, a dollar 20. So you're looking for $1.20 and then a $1.40 and then 150, of course, right? So it does look like it's trying to come off a nice little bottom. It would be nice if it bounced off that level. Again, can you guys see the consolidation, guys? Kind of for AISP of $4. Good, right? So hopefully it stays above that level and then sends it. Let's send it. There it goes. AISP back to 420, guys. So again, $4. I think Justin is in this one still. Take over all discords so they can all be as cool as hot rates. Let's go, Azul. We're taking over. Let's take over. Yeah, so that looks good. Again, good consolidation at $4, and then boom, boom. Look at that pop. Oof, oof, oof. Paige says I've been here for 9 months. Let's go, Paige. This is the best place to be. Let's go. 9 months, made monies many times, Paige. Made money, many monies many times. Paige, give me a high five. Um, I like the transition. I like when you see someone join Discord and they're a bit resentful. People usually like some people will join Discord and they're like, oh man, they'll be like, man, how come like there's so much stuff going on? There's way too many channels. How come I'm not finding any plays? And then they settle in and they crush it, right? I like when people get involved and they ask questions and they just don't give up because that's the market for you. If you're looking for like easy stuff like handouts, the market is gonna take your money and say go back to work and then come back again, right? Virus has been a member since there was the story of the Israelites, right? The Israelites left Egypt Anyways, I'm not gonna tell you the story because anyways, Virus has been a member for 36 months. So Virus is an OG. Virus, love you. Let's go. They want to flex like this, but you're not. So if you're not a member, you're just missing out. Come join us, alrighty? Cool. Mara is still looking good. Nah, 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 nah. Everyone needs a virus. You know the story, Pyros? Thank you very much. Love it. Mr. Thrust. Yeah, so if you're not sure who Virus is, that's Mr. Thrust. I bet you people always get confused. To finish one sentence. I would. I would. Choo choo choo. No 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 no. Here we go, guys. We're back to 4:30. And Mara really balanced. Apple is nice and pushing. Apple looks nice and green. Nice and green, Apple. Nice and green. So if you're holding some Apple 200 calls, Apple 205s, you're smiling. Smiling. Uh Smiling, guys. Naz, I think you had a question earlier. What's your position? Again, if you have a question, always let me know. Otherwise, it just kind of moves. You're in at 980? Okay. Good job. Yeah, so we looked at that one earlier. Yeah, it looks like BURU. I'm just gonna set an alert for a break above 19 cents for BURU here. Hopefully that thing can break out. So and then go from there. BWAQ. Pablo's been spamming this one. Or other people have been spamming this one as well. Peter played with this one in the morning and he made some nice monies and then he left for work. Blah blah blah. This thing looks good. So good job on that entry, by the way. Good job on that entry, Nas. Yeah, you do well on these stacks. On Since at $5. I'm pretty sure I have an alert on Since at like $1 something. So not sure about the whole $5 thing, but there's an alert in there somewhere. Yeah, no, for sure. Low volume, risky. As long as you make your money and you move on. No, no, no. uh, Schwab. Uh, to decide if I'm going to move to no, 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 no. Okay. Ooh, that's an alert. Not sure what it's for though. I bet you that's for BURU. As soon as I left, huh? Let me take a look. BURU. Did that alert actually hit though, or is it just sending me a stupid alert? No, it actually hit. It actually hit 19 cents. BURU. That thing desperately needs to get above 20 cents. Uh, a smashing success. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. I like success stories, guys. I like when you guys message me with success stories. You guys need to use the testimonial channel in Discord more, though. So if you're doing well, use the testimonial channel in Discord. Cool? Cool. Yeah, penny stocks, A-Rod. Penny stocks will usually get that volume. Exactly. Exactly, Pablo. BURU is a frustrating stock. Like every time it looks like it's about to go, it just comes right back down pyro. It's like, oh, it's about to go. Good morning, Lynn. Robert, am I on mode on YouTube? Yes, Robert, you are a member and on YouTube. Yeah, you're good. Yeah, yeah. Your account. When your name is green, you're a member on YouTube. You're using the right account. Yeah. Sympathies. Love success stories. La, 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 la. Uh, do, 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 do. Uh, by Gary Yee. uh, Perhaps. Anyways, yeah. So 19 cents. If that thing can ever break above 19.20 and close above 19.20, it might actually be ready to push. But the damn thing just goes up and down and up and down. Like what the hell? Again, the good thing is that we bounce off that support at the bottom, so that's good. But it really needs to break out though. Quick update on TPET, guys. TPET just seems to be playing with the 200 EMAs. So as long as TPET stays above the 200 EMA, then I don't mind, right? Apple looks good, obviously. So if you're holding GME with a bit of a retest of the 200, hopefully it bounces up 24. BWAQ with the pop and supply zone, and then a drop. Surprise, not. KITT, like I mentioned earlier, that thing needs to get about 40 cents. For now, this just seems like a retest, so it still looks good. And then AISP, fine. That thing looks fine. What genre? Oh, house music. I don't know actually. I do like house music though. I would say like South African house music is my favorite. Unfortunately, I can't play it on stream though. Yeah, South African house. Do 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 do. Non-copyright music is my favorite. Yeah, I just don't want issues. No, it's not true. It's not true. Even like you guys complain about everything. Everything you guys complain about. Everything you guys complain about. Pain music, you guys are like, oh no 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 no, but like this music is too repetitive, and then that music is like $200. Like, are you kidding me? And then other music, you guys, anyways, you guys just like to complain, you know. When we spend a lot of time, when you spend a lot of time with people, you just complain a lot. We spend a lot of time together, so we just complain about each other, like family, you know. Uh, yeah. Thank you, Sosa. At least somebody loves my music. Unlike Dan, music hater. Anyways, Apple is back to the highs of the day, guys. I love complaining. I know. You guys love complaining. Unbelievable. Like, can you turn the music down? Can you turn it back? Can you change the song? What's good? Pablo? I know. I know. Rubbish. Okay, let's see. So that one's bouncing a little bit, and then what's this one doing? That one's actually green. Impressive. Uh, impressive. There goes Apple. Apple looking good. KITT is dipping, guys. Right, some profit taking. Some profit taking on the Apple. The Apple. Sheesh, Spy's looking spiky. Is it time to short yet? Hmm. Tempted, but I wish that thing was a bit higher though. It does like to fake out above the 50. I should have taken that short as soon as I opened futures. Should have taken it. Yeah, KITT is on its way back down here. And then TPET is actually bouncing really nicely up the bottom. Bouncing really nicely up the bottom. You're in fair mixture. You're good to go. Let's go. Well done. Yeah, it's annoying when you can't figure it out, but uh, yeah. Uh, what position is that? Let's see. Sounds like 90s arcade, Dennis. Anyway, so back about 40 cents, guys. So that's looking better for TPET. Looking better. There it goes, 41 pennies. That's a nice pop. That's a really nice pop. Oof. It's a really nice push. You just woke up to a nice pop on KITT. Nice. And then AISP also looks really good, guys. So that $4 bottom is acting like a really solid bottom now, isn't it? Right, slow and steady, slow and steady. If that thing can get back to 450, that'd be beautiful. Very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Uh, there it goes. There it goes. Give us more. Give us more. 440. Mm, there it goes. Do, 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 do. Do, do, do. There it goes. Do, do, do. Let's see. Do, do. So now we have that supply zone at 440 though. So I wonder what's actually going to happen there. I wonder what's going to happen there actually. Hmm. Let's see. Do, 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 do. Mm-mm-mm. That was quite the spike on the S&V there. My goodness. La, 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 la. Can you look at KITT and tell me if it's a good time to buy in Chaos? Come join us in Discord. Um, you're still asking for entries, Chaos, right? You're still asking for entries. Come join us in Discord. KITT. Come join us. Come join us. Come join us. Come join us. Right. Come join us. Anyways, no, no. Is spy short? I was thinking about it. I'm thinking yes. I'm thinking yes. Like that thing has to be pretty damn close to resistance here. Um, as long as it doesn't break above this last high, though, Pavan, I'm thinking I want to try short, but I almost wanted to push up a little bit higher, and then so I can have an easy stop loss. Oh, I'm gonna miss it. No, 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 no. Go back up. Go back up. Go back up. No spy. No, other way. I missed my damn short. Dang it, Pavan. Yeah. What do you think? IE the 14th. 528. Why are you laughing, Virgo? Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? I would almost do like what Virus does and play like same day expiration and then just cut it easily if it's breaking out. Dang, missed that short. BURU skyrocketing? No, it's not because I have an alert and it's still below 19 cents, so it needs to break and close above. No, 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 no. Don't get scammed. Yep, 16 to 41, 2 days. Let's go, Alan. Congratulations. What the? Ooh, wee, guys. Ooh, wee. Ooh, wee. Ooh, wee. You know what's coming, right? The thrust beats. Ooh, wee. Ooh, wee, guys. Ooh, wee. Ooh, wee. Ooh, that thing exploded. Oh my days. That thing said, hello, guys. You forgetting me? Like, no, we're not. No, we're not. No, we're not. Send it. What a beautiful push, guys. Whew. If you're still holding this thing, type in yes in the chat. I'm logged out of that account. Sheesh. Logged out of that account. La 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 la. Ooh wee. Ooh wee. Give us more. Win $5, guys. Win $5. Can we keep sending? Can we keep sending, please? Ooh wee. Love it. Love it. You have to. It's coming, Brian. It's thrust time. I'm looking for the beats. Nothing but the beats. Search. Are you ready, party people? Are you ready? Are you ready? Steve, please make sure you're both hands on the wheel. And again, if you took AISP this morning, that was your alert in Discord, right? If you're a legend member, that was your alert this morning. So again, $3.6370, right? If you took that, congratulations. Righty? So ooh wee. Let's go, peoples. You know what to do. I don't need to remind you. I was about to say some things, and then I go. Come on. You know what to do. Start getting naked. Please and thank you. Because it's that time of the day again. And what? And and thrust, and what? And thrust, and what? And thrust. Come on. To the left, to the right, and thrust. To the left, to the right, and thrust. Come on, and go. Let the beat drop, and let that sweat drip, please, and thank you. Let the sweat drip, and what? And drip. Come on, to the window, to the wall, when Lambo, to the sun, at night, make monies. Come on, get naked, and what? And thrust. Go, 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 go. Let the beat drop. Let the sweat drip. Come on and slide. Come on and go. And what? To the left, to the window. Screw, screw. Go, 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 go. 480, guys. The stock is pumping. 490. And what? Come on. Go, 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 go. Make monies, make monies, get naked. Let's go, peoples. Send it. There you go. Congratulations if you're still holding this. Even if you got back in, congratulations. I need to go back to my old playlist here. Otherwise, before the FBI shows up, before the FBI shows up. Uh, I Robert, that alert is an HT signal. I've been tagging you guys in that channel all day today. I also told you, Robert, right? Like, if you're new to Discord, go through all the channels, please. Right? Go through all the channels, know where stuff is, and you won't miss it. How is anyone not a member yet? Alan, how you not a member? Come on, what are you waiting for? Michael? Come on. I can't pronounce your name, but I almost feel like I should take a shot at it, Anyways, but I'm not gonna butcher it. Anyways. So again, if you're not a member yet, sign up for Legend. Come join us in Discord. Don't sign up for the level that says sold out, please. No, 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 no. Apple meeting? I think that was yesterday, Greg. Yesterday. So again, those signals are posted in the HT signal channel in Discord. It's at the very, very top. If you miss it, I don't know how you do, but let's go, Pizza. Pizza just became a member yesterday, guys. My membership just paid itself. Pizza, come on. I almost feel like thrusting again for Pizza, guys. That was awesome. Let's go. I almost feel like thrusting again for Pizza. So Peter became a member yesterday, a legend member yesterday, and the membership is paid for already. So for all of you guys that are not members, congratulations. 52-week highs. Ooh, I like that. Sheesh, the markets look like they want to go from red to green actually. Just the way the S&P is pumping. That thing said, "Hey guys, I want to go green." Green on the day, impressive. Post morning news on Discord. Stock General, fair mixture. Stock General. Tomorrow at 2 p.m. Eastern time. So many channels again. I know people always complain about having so many channels. The thing is, you don't need all those channels. The channels in Discord that are for people that play options, people that play crypto, people that play futures, educational stuff. Take 5 minutes and go through all the channels, and within that 5 minutes, you're gonna know where everything is. People will initially just look and say, "Oh my goodness, like So take some time, go through all the channels, and you're gonna find where you need to be. Alrighty. Um, yeah. Yeah. So there's channels for news, right? There's channels for this. There's channels for all those channels need to be there because the different things that we play with, right? Come on. Musty, when spy fat red candle? I want a short. When Musty? When Musty? When spy dip skis? Spy's like, excuse me, you dip, me no dip. Anyways, there goes 480, guys. So that thing looks really good above the 9 EMA. Looks really, really good above the 9 EMA. Oh, that's why. I was wondering why it looked like that. What the hell does it look like that? That's why. Anyways, there goes pushing towards 490 again here. Pushing towards 490 again. Okay. There we go. Uh, Apple is going straight up, and it should be. Like Apple looks amazing. Apple is saving the markets today, like saving the markets from disaster. Yeah, that thing. In 6 minutes, I know, Pavan. In 6 minutes. Yup. 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 Anyways, yeah. So just again, take a look around, go through all the channels, and then you should be good to go. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah, I see Erica and Virgo spamming those DMs. Anyways, I need a refund. This channel is not good enough for my blood pressure. I know, Pyro. I know. Sorry, 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 sorry. Profit target all hits. Now I focus on 100% roasting. Guys, I think it's time to leave. Time to call it a day. No kidding. I'm kissing. La 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 la. La. Is Skyrocket be ready? Oh, that's crypto. Crypto, 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 crypto. Crypto, crypto, crypto. It was, yeah, it was. I think it. Oh, it's the entire week. Okay. Um. Hmm, yeah. Oh, let's see. Okay, let me go back here. Almost $5 though. That was a really good run. Um, yeah. There you go. Sheesh. I think the S&P is gonna go from red to green today. The way this damn thing is pumping, we might just keep pushing it. Might just keep pushing it. Push, push, push. No, 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 no. Let's go. Peter says, "I'm just here for the music now, guys. Already made my monies with AISP. Love it. GME is slowly going back up, Musty. So maybe she's here for the vibes. You bought another dipski. That looks like a nice double bottom, though, doesn't it, Skyro? It's a nice double bottom. Nice double bottom. And Apple is kind of stalling a bit, but that just seems like a pit stop, doesn't it? And sent the email, but haven't received a response yet. You haven't received a response from me, email. I'm gonna send you an email right now. There you go. I see your email. Yeah. I sent you a link like immediately when you became a member, so you didn't have to send me an email. But no, that's fine though. So I just responded to your email now. Yeah. So TPEX, TPET. So TPET needs to stay above 36 cents. All right, if it breaks below that level and then max, it's down, 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 down. Uh, sheesh, the markets just keep going up, 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 up. We ever gonna get a red candle? Even if we do dip, I think we're gonna resume back up. Like the retest, yeah, close to 450 retest. Spy's like, nope. You can dip skis on. Yeah, I don't really see any signs of like it wanting to be shorted yet. Maybe on this candle, but we'll see. It looks incredibly strong, incredibly strong. You can't log in. Log in into what, Rose? What do you log into? Oh, your broker, like Schwab. Yeah, a lot of people seem to be having issues. Short every time. Yeah, musty. You made 55% max Ross. Congratulations. Yeah, that was a really good play. Really good play. Congrats. Yeah, so for now though, let's see if it can stay above the 200 because that's what it's been bouncing, above the entire morning, right? So of this little white line. So as long as it stays above that level, not too bad. If it goes below, then it has a problem. Then it has a problem. No, for sure, Musty, especially when the trend is clearly up, right? Going short is a problem. On the price of oil, not in law, I'm concerned the move is over now, Freebo. Yeah, I would just follow the technicals, right? If it goes below the 200, then yeah, sure, maybe. I know people look at TPET and focus on the price of like oil and stuff like that. To me, this is a momentum stock. Like it's a pure momentum stock, right? It's I don't it's again the news was good, but I don't think it's pumping like this because of anything other than like retail vibes. La, 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 la. Yeah, no, that's what I mean though, right? Like I would just focus on the technicals, Rebo, and nothing else. If it goes like it's looking weaker than just because we're coming back to retest the level. So if it goes below, fine. Um, Rose, that's because you're not a member. So there goes Apple, new highs of the day. That thing looks nice, very nice. Yeah, so let's see if we can test 450 and stay above 450. Justin. Yeah, KITT. As trying out again, this was a beautiful double bottom there. Beautiful double bottom. So back to retesting that 40 cents ish area in the supply zone. For now, 40 cents money penny stocks. The reason I say 40 cents is because that's your next resistance, and then after that we look for 43 cents, and then after 43 cents we look for 50 cents. So there's a level, and then there's another level, and then there's another level, and we just go from there. Yeah, exactly, money. Yeah, resistance, right? We just look at like one level at a time. Uh, there you go. Here we go. That thing actually tested 52 to very close, Justin, and then pop. So 450 breakout, 450 retest. There you go. 450. I like it. There you go. There goes 470. Nice little. Ooh, look at that retest, guys. Look at that retest. Justin is smiling now. 460. If we can get 85, okay. Pretty close. Pretty close. Hopefully, a nice. Hopefully, you took profits in this thing, right? Hopefully, you took your gains from BWAQ because that thing's been slowly like dipping to the abyss. Still green on the day, but it's been losing a lot of the gains. So hopefully, you took your monies. Get ready for a long. Oh, features. There's the dip we wanted. There's the dip we wanted. I just wasn't paying attention. Dang, that would have been a nice dip. Sheesh. That would have been a nice dip. You're done with it? Well done. Well done. What time is it? Okay. Uh, no, Rose, your stuff is not going to connect in Discord. I don't think you're connected because you're not a member. You might have clicked the link to join Discord, but it's not going to let you connect because you have to upgrade. Ready? So you just have to click on the link again and just upgrade, change the level. So again, Discord community, legend, or goats, and one of those levels will let you into Discord. So even if you again, if you click the link and it takes you to Discord, it's not going to let you do anything. Yeah, yeah, it's a gifted membership virus. Yeah, so you have to upgrade, Rose. So once you do, then you can actually use the link to sign in, and then we can kind of walk you through what you need to do. I don't get. I don't get. Is there anyone willing to help me figure reverse this? I wanted to roast someone so bad on stream, but I'm not gonna roast. I'm gonna be nice, and I'll roast nicely. Uh, I was in Hangout General, and I saw the wars message. Yi responding to wars message. I was about to roast. But that'd be nice. I was about to roast. I really do think like if you're struggling, you need to put in the effort. Like the market is not your friend. The market is here to take your money. Like if you're struggling, you know, be more involved, ask questions. Like ask questions. If you're taking a play, say, hey, I took this play at this price, it didn't work out. Like what did I do wrong? Like we will take a look, right? But to constantly like complain and say, oh, like I'm not doing well, I don't know why. That's because you're not asking for help. If you're struggling, ask for help. We will help you out. uh, but if all you do is say, oh, but like I'm down this much, what did you play with? We don't know what you played with. Uh, yeah. Exactly. Exactly. Right. So we're literally looking at a stock like KITT that's still exploding, new highs of the day. Right. We're looking at AISP that's exploding. Right. Done really well today. We're looking at people playing with GME that's bouncing off the bottom. We're looking at people playing with Apple calls, making monies. TPET was pumping all morning long. Right. So again, if you need help, ask for help. Right. um, don't suffer alone. That's why we're here, right? Another successful scout. There goes Pyro making monies again, right? So like, if you need help, ask for help. That was a beautiful double bottom Pyro for KITT. Really nice pop. So brand new highs of the day. If that thing can close above 40 cents, then we look for that pre-market high. So closer to 43 cents, right? If we can close above 40 cents. Um, they're not even in the right channel, Pyro. That tells me there's a lack of effort, right? There's a lack of effort. There's a lack of like wanting to be successful at all. If you can't even type in the right channel, um, do better. Alrighty, please, please. Again, I don't like when people struggle, but I do like when people struggle and they ask for help. Like, hey, I'm struggling. Like, I need help. Like, we will go above and beyond to help you when you need help. Promise. Promise, promise, promise. Um, yeah, exactly. Money penny stocks. Like you work hard for the money, so put more effort when it comes to your money. Don't just give it away like that. Brian says, I've been in this community for a month now, and I put in so much time, so many hours studying, doing everything to learn, and I'm finally got a good grasp, and I'm making money. Exactly, but it took me putting in the work, right? Exactly, Brian. Like, if you need help, put in the work. Um, this is potentially, like, the market is potentially the hardest thing you will do, not because it's super 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 hard, because your emotions will get in the way, because you work hard for your money. It's pretty hard for someone to work hours. Again, you work 40 hours a week, 70 hours a week, two jobs. It's for multiple months to bring your money in the market, and then it's wiped out in 2 seconds. It's pretty hard. Like, it's hard. We've all been there. Like, you struggle, right? Like, you've been there, I've been there, I've been, I've had days where, like, I'm sitting on the floor and I'm like, damn, this is not, like, how the hell did that just happen? Like, how did I just lose so much money so quickly, right? So but you have to put in the work. It's not like you just show up and you're like, hey, spoon feed me. Like, easy monies doesn't work like that, right? So I love when people put in the work and they ask questions. I love it. Um, like, if something doesn't make sense, ask. If you get in a position and it doesn't work, say, "Hey, Blaze, I got into this position at this price. I thought I was looking for this and this and this, but it didn't work out. What can I do differently?" And then we can look together, right? And other people can learn too. Um, but if you're not going to do that, then if you're not willing to do that, then you might as well just give up now, right? Holo, la 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 la. With 140, I'll take a look at Holo, Justin. My problem is very every other day trading our dashboard fidelity with stop loss error pop up above the price. You trade using a Thinkorswim. No, we have, like, in Canada, Robert. We have, like, Easy Trade, so it's a bit different. And I use the mobile version. That person joined Virus. Yeah. I went from losing 30K buying at the top and over leveraging to being happy 300 exactly, Sky, right? 300 to $1,300 a day, right? So it takes work. It takes, like, understanding who you are and your daily goal. And there's so many things that seem really simple when it comes to the market. Like, honestly, simply just making $300 a day for someone changes the entire picture. Whereas, initially Sky might be saying, you know what, I want to make $2,000 a day. I want to make $5,000 a day. But then he makes $500, $1,000, and then after $1,000, he starts losing, right? But then he just needs to understand that, you know what, look at AI, look at that stock go, guys. Look at that damn thing cook. right? Beautiful retest. Um, there you go. Beautiful retest. It's a really nice push. There we go. La la la. Have to be patient and learn. It's your money. You want to get better at this. You have to treat it as if exactly as if the business depends on you. Exactly, Pablo. La la la. Exactly, money penny stocks. To do anything now. Exactly. It's amazing how far he has come. Right. Always ask questions, questions, questions. You order food and you have to know how to cook and how to exactly, Dan, exactly. This isn't a restaurant where you order food. You have to know how to cook so you can eat. Exactly. I took one of my first trades today and made some money. Was not much, but it's a win, and you can exactly, Tony. Well done. Give me a high five. Right. So that thing looks really good. I missed that because I'm just catching up to the bottom of the chat. There you go. So congratulations, right? So again, if you're looking, we do we do spoon feed every once in a while, right? And today your spoon feeding was AISP, right? So again, if you took that signal, congratulations, which a whole bunch of you guys did. That thing has crushed it, right? Pump, 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 and that was a beautiful retest. $4.50 breakout retest 450, and then boom skis. So again, education classes coming into play, right? We talk about these retests all the time. Yeah, Tony, well done. What alerts are you using? Can you please elaborate? I'm not sure what you're asking. You mean like these alerts? There are a whole bunch of alerts in Discord. These ones are just signals like entries and stop loss and stuff like that, right? So, again, this morning we said your ticker symbol is AISP, right? You get in, your entry is when we break above 370 and close above 370. Your stop loss is $3.59, right? That's your stop loss, right? Obviously, the stop loss never hits, and the stock has been pumping. So that was your alert. La, 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 la. Yeah, there you go. There you go. But as soon as I exactly, Sean, there you go. Exactly, Pablo. The volume has remained well all day. Exactly, Pablo. And multiple retests, multiple breakouts. So you can play the retest, you can play the breakout, and it's done really well. I missed it because TD is trying to play catch up. Yeah, that's so annoying when the brokers are not working in the middle. You know, BENF with the pop. Yeah, he took it, but volatile. Okay. Uh, there you go. Schwab cost you monies today. Yeah, that thing not working is costing people monies. Let me take a look at BENF. This one has that history of like going for crazy runs, doesn't it? Crazy, crazy runs. Let's see if this thing can give us a bit of a retest. Why does it look? It looks like it's halted. I think it just lacks volume. The volume is a bit sus. It's sus. La, 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 la. Good old Ben. Yeah, it doesn't have as much volume this time, though, does it? Not as much volume. Exactly, Pablo. Right. So if you missed AISP, guys, there are always other plays, right? As long as you remain patient and try to get in at proper levels. Some days I just walk away and do nothing. Exactly. Like you don't have to be in plays every single day, guys. Right. Some days you make monies for 2 days. Some days you make monies for for the week. Right. So you don't need to constantly be in plays. And some days you just need to sit on your hands because stuff is not working. Right. Um, AMC, interesting. GME is back above 25 too. Before GME, yeah. It just needs a Rusty. It needs to clear that. It needs to clear that 47 level and actually stay above it. After you, the night after you won, would you? True, true. Trading platform is the best for trading. That has wrecked and it really has. It really has. Yup. Like I bet you someone bought the stock at $5.20. Right now they're like, please go up, please go up, please go up. Right? Yeah. So uh, I see your email, Rose, but you got a gifted membership that says sold out one. The sold out level gives you access to YouTube stuff, but not to Discord stuff. So you would have to upgrade on YouTube. Sold out. Two. There you go. The rebounds back, Musty. We dipped a bit, but then bounced off that moving average. Yeah, exactly, Money Penny. It's a paper trade. When trying to improve your skills, paper trading is very valuable. Yeah, yeah. People often complain that like they paper trade, and when they come back to stocks, it's just not the same. That's because most likely when you come back to stocks, your positions are too big still, right? So when you come back to stocks, right, trade it again. It's not your money when you paper trade, so you have that relaxed feeling. There's no emotions involved, right? When you come back to and you're using your own money, that's when the emotions, they get in the way. So if you find that that's you, make sure that you reduce the position. Yeah. Since pre-market, Pablo, absolutely, absolutely. So again, we initially let's see here. Let me go back all the way to pre-market here. So these guys had news, obviously, right? These guys had news in pre-market. So obviously, any stock that has news and it's pumping is going to be on the radar, right? We will be looking at any stock that has news, right? So initially, these guys had news, and so we're scanning through all these stocks in pre-market, right? So the level that I liked, right, was the fact that again, this thing was consolidating, and we were clearly looking for that breakout. So we don't really care that it's going sideways like this. We want to see that thing break out, right? We want to see that thing break above that resistance of 470, right? So that's kind of how we send that signal, right? Get in at 470 on the close above, but don't let it go back below and create a new low, right? It's a higher low. Don't let it give you a brand new low. So as you can see with these arrows, this is what we wanted in the morning, right? And then obviously we broke above. So if you took 470, congratulations, right? And then clearly we broke above. We broke above that pre-market high, right? At basically $4. And then these few candles came back for the retest, and it's still holding the night EMA, right? So what Pablo is referring to is you can look at these consolidation areas here and you can scalp that, right? You can scalp that to resistance and take profits, or if it's dipping, you see that it's struggling, just get rid of it. And then wait for the next consolidation. Like this is another really good consolidation level, right? Consolidating, cross above the 9 EMA, and just curl, right? Take profits, consolidating again, curling above the 9 EMA, send it. 370, Pablo. Did I say something else? I must have. Yeah, 370. Um, yeah, 370. Oh, Dan with the gifted memberships, guys. Let's go. Nas, what's your entry price with that stop loss? What's your entry price? Dan, thank you very much. Congratulations if you got a gifted membership, guys. Congrats, 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 congrats. Let's go. Let's go, Dan. Thank you. Let's see. Yeah, looks like Ben is trying to curl up the nine again. I don't like it that much because it's not. It like the volume is really weird. Like the bid is 399, the ask is 318. So like it's gonna skip all over the place. Skip all over the place. So Nas, you're gonna have to let me know what your entry price is. If you're asking for stop loss, I kind of are you in the greens or you're, you know, is exactly Troy exactly. So exactly. Virgo, why do you keep laughing? What's going on? Why are you laughing? What's wrong? What's wrong? What happened? La la la. Can you explain puts on Tesla? Can you explain puts on Tesla? I don't understand the question, Marco. Oh, no, 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 no. There goes that thing trying to bounce. So 490 seems to be holding for now, doesn't it? So again, you can look to the left hand side. That kind of seems like a retest of a breakout, doesn't it? Damn the man. Uh, and please try and catch the. There you go. So look at that. Look at that beautiful retest. Again, we keep talking about consolidation and are you laughing at Musty? Musty's always Musty. Musty, what's Musty saying now? Tesh is pretty random. Tesh will be quiet for like hours, and then all of a sudden he's like, "I'm gonna go get a snack." I'm like, Tesh, where have you been? No, that's good. Virgo's, yeah, yeah. No, Tesh is funny. Ben, there goes Ben dipping, guys. I really don't like how Ben is behaving there because of the lack of volume. Too much room in between. Yeah, yeah. There you go. Supreme. Supreme. Supreme, welcome to Discord. Welcome to Discord, Supreme. I'm gonna send you an invite at the bottom of the chat. Just click that link and then come join us in Discord. Alrighty. Welcome to Legends. Welcome to Legends. Welcome. Yeah, so it looks like we're failing at 520 now, but bouncing off 490. Again, be careful though that this thing is really, really high. Nas, again, I'm still waiting for your entry. Let me know. Okay, sounds good, Tesh. Yeah. I uh I need to re-upload that video because I took it off the stream, Pablo. I took it off the stream so I could upload the stupid GME video. So I'm gonna need to go re-upload that. Um, I'll have to do it. KITT still looks good, guys. If you're still holding KITT, type in yes in the chat. Oh, that's what I need to look at. If you're still holding KITT, type in yes in the chat. Speaking of holding KITT, that thing has a lot of resistance. It's really struggling at 40 cents. So once you, okay. And then FOMC. Ooh, that thing said, are you guys still holding? Dipping, holding since 1380, Karan. Congratulations. Ooh, 1380? You haven't taken any profits at all? Yeah, there's a lot of resistance here at 40 cents, and for good reason, right? So that's technically a double top at 40 cents. So 40 cents, and then it's 43 after that. um, yeah. That's quite the dip, though. We came right back down to the level that we bounced at initially. So 33 cents, stay above that, and that's completely fine. Does that mean you don't think you'll crack 40 cents? I don't know, Mark. I'm just saying, like, again, when you get to a level like that, it's usually a level where you're moving your stop loss really close, you're taking profits. Right? You're scaling out a little bit because it's resistance, and then you're waiting for the next resistance. Right? So these levels are meant to be broken, but they're really hard to break, and there's no telling if it's going to break. In 5 weeks, no. Yeah, the S&P does look a little bit weaker there, but you're shorting ES, Troy? Yeah, I'm tempted. I'm tempted to short, but that thing might go all the way back to the top, though. So I'm just gonna leave it alone for now. Leave it alone for now. Anyways, back to AISP. Look at that beautiful consolidation, right? So this is what Pablo was referring to when he said consolidating, right? Multiple areas of entry. So again, we talked about this yesterday as well when we did that group class in Discord, right? The breakout, the retest. Does that look like a retest, guys? Yes, it does. Does that look like consolidation? Yes, it does. Right. So if you buy off 490, just set your stop loss at 480 something, right? If it breaks, it breaks. Buy, right? If it doesn't break, well, boom skis, right? Boom skis. So that looks good, doesn't it? Ooh, that thing said, yep, yep. There goes the S&P going for the highs of the day. Oof. Troy, yeah. Spy just wants to cause violence to them. I do wonder though if that's going to be a. Whoa. 30. There goes another dip. Yeah, I wonder if that's a double top. That's why exactly, Troy. Stop loss. Uh, yeah. See, this is the type of um, yeah. This is the type of stuff that gets people into trouble. You know what I mean? Yeah, Jasmine, it looks good. It looks good. I haven't been watching it, but I've been seeing it getting spammed in Discord there. So this is the type of stuff that gets people in trouble. Nice little push. Subreddit post quantities on holders list. Like, what does that do though? Like when you post your quantities, like the position, the amount of shares you're holding, what does that do, Stewie? Right? Absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. We haven't learned from like GME back in the day and AMC. What does that do? It's like, hey, please post the amount of shares you're holding so we can track, which portion is shorted and which portion goes to the dark pool. People did that on BBIGs. Like every day they'll be like, come post, BBIG, Mullen, come post, come post. BBIG's been delisted. Delisted. 34, 33. Love it, Pyro. Yeah, that's the same level you got in at last time. Nice little scalpy, right? Again, Pyro's getting into KITT, guys. Pyro got into KITT last time at the bottom, sold at the top resistance, right? And then he got back in again at 33 cents, right? If it breaks below, he's just going to get rid of it. But he's made money overall. So he's not just diamond handing and waiting, right? Take money back in. Take monies, get out, back in. Take monies, get out, back in. Uh, there you go. There you go, Jonathan. Jonathan got in at 491, right? 491 again, retest and sold. Good job, Jonathan. So well done. Love it. On its way there, exactly. BURU does look good though, right? So again, obviously we do like BURU. The only thing is like the stock has been slacking, but it finally looks like it's doing something, good. Finally looks like it's doing something good. So 72% are insiders. Only 820 shares are available to public. I just want to track the shares owned by retail investors. Okay. Yeah, no, again, we like BURU. Like I said earlier, that double bottom at 1740 just needs to hold. As long as that level holds, you're fine. If we can get above 20 cents and gain some momentum, that thing might really start moving, right? Might really start to move. Really start to move. Starting to dislike it since there's ridiculous pumpers on it. Yeah, the pumpers are crazy on this one. So on the 15-second, damn, look at that candle. Oh my goodness, Troy. That thing just tapped new highs of the day and then backed off. Maybe that's the liquidity grab and maybe that's the top. There goes Pyro. This is what we don't like about Pyro is the unnecessary like pop and then drops. It's like it's consistently going up and then one candle erases. Yeah, always, always. Always. How do you see it? How do I see it? Let me go back. So, are you in a position already? If you're not in a position again, so you wanted to play the breakout, this would have been your breakout at $1.30. The range is not that big, right? So, like 138 was already resistance. It looks like. So for now, if you're playing with the stock, you want it to stay above $1.30 Marcos, right? Stay above $1.30, and you should be okay. $1.30, $1.29. If you can stay above that, then that's not too bad. It kind of moves like a really like massive float stock. But yeah, so for now, stay above that breakout level, and you should be okay. You are in a position. Okay, what did you get in at? Yeah, so here comes a retest, right? The typical retest. There's always a retest. You break out, you come back down to retest. So now you're looking for $1.30, $1.29 to hold. Right? If it can start curling out that level, then that's good. So it really needs to start curling here, right? So here goes 129 and a bit of a bounce, right? So it's going to need to find a base in and around this again, 130, 129. If not, then you have a problem. For now, though, it's trying. So that thing better try harder to hold. It better try harder. Alrighty. BURU with the fat red candle and then a fat green candle. 128. Okay. Okay. Either way, I think you're going to be fine because I think your stop loss is going to be nice and tight, anyways. Joshua says I got in three scalps on AISP today. I'm almost 100% of my trades today, and that's good enough for me. Gotta walk away while you're up, Joshua. Give me a high five. Well done. Congratulations. Congratulations. Love it. Love it. Pending. Okay. Let's see. I wouldn't be able to do it without you guys and this Discord. You guys are awesome. Let's go, Joshua. Teamwork. We make monies together, you know. Let's go. Let's go. Dave says, last week's new to stocks. I'm hoping to join Discord soon. Only have a small bag to trade with. I'm up $25 into this small gains, but gains. Dave, congratulations. Right? It's again, it's not about only making $25. It's about you actually making money, right? So just keep learning, and you're gonna be fine. What's Tesla doing, Virus? Is it time for Tesla calls? Tesla. Tesla, the sus stock. Sheesh. In range now, yeah, 22 minutes. 22 minutes. The Curry stock is still kind of playing games here, isn't it? So it looks like it actually retested a downtrend, an uptrend. BURU is back to 950, so maybe that thing will find it, and it's hard to push. For next week, 185s. Okay. Came from work, had dinner, worked out, and having some late night drinks. And BURU is still slacking. Yep. Yeah, Thursday. There you go, money penny stocks. Yeah, make your monies move on, please. Right, set a stop loss. Don't let it break down with you in there. So, yeah. Bobby, it's the end. Let's see. Let's see. As long as we stay above 450, I think there's still a chance of another run. As long as we stay above 450. The one good thing for AISP is that we've consistently gotten those like brand new highs. So if we stay too long without getting another high, then you're most likely right. Um, oh yeah, I mean yeah, it's now like that thing has to run now or never. I think the longer it stays here, the more people get defeated. You know. A-Rod, it's the end. I hope you guys are taking profits or moving stop losses up, right? People are dumping this thing now. Look at KITT, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Again, if you don't have a stop loss in this thing and you're just holding and watching your money go to zero, like I don't know what to tell you, right? If you're doing that, you're just not listening to the stream, right? So again, look at how many times we tested the top for KITT, right? Like we went to 40 cents once and failed. The second time and failed again. The third time and failed. So if we're constantly failing at resistance, did they actually do an offering? No way. The company did an offering, guys. I want to bow. I'm telling you, like these companies don't give a damn. They want to make their monies, right? Sheesh. The money's moving over to TPET now, guys. TPET is like, oh, you're dying? Yay, my turn. I'm the other penny stock. No. Interesting. Uh, yeah, exactly. You know what I like? I do like that they're doing that in the middle of the day, though. Rather than overnight, is people can set stop losses. Yeah, and you guys are risking, Stewie. I mean, Stewie, look at this, right? So from KITT from 13 cents, even though it's crashing now, that's not a risk, is it? But no, BURU needs to go now though. Like it's now or never, now or never. That thing needs to go like now, 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 now or never. Yeah, Eugene, let's go. Let's make monies. Yeah, that thing needs to clear 20 cents. It's really close, isn't it? Really, really close. Uh, really, 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 really close. Yeah, just break it like it's now or never. Now or never. So we're gonna hop off in a bit, guys, because I have to do one-on-ones. So again, if you haven't smashed a like yet, um, I don't know. We're not even at 200 likes, guys. What are you guys doing? What are you guys doing? I think tomorrow we should just stream in Discord. I think we need to do more Discord streams actually, because I enjoy Discord streams. Yeah, maybe we do that tomorrow. Actually, no, tomorrow is Wednesday. Tomorrow is Chaos Day. So yeah, don't forget to smash a like if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel, and if you're not a member yet, become a member. It's on in the past 2 weeks. A-Rod, absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. Brian, we might not be able to do it tomorrow because tomorrow is FOMC. An eye on should be having a soon regarding. Okay, thank you very much, Pablo. So these spackies. Uh, wow, wow, wow! These dudes did an offering. Sheesh. They're like, we want to make monies too, guys. KITT is done, isn't it? The money is clearly moving over to TPET because the money has to go somewhere else. So again, I hope you guys secured profits. I hope you're not diamond handing without a stop loss because that thing just went from 40 something cents to 27 to 26 cents. If you lost all your gains, that's annoying, right? Anyways, yeah, TPET is like my turn, guys. My turn. Bring the monies over here. Bring the monies over here, please. There goes 44 cents. Nice push. What happened, Bob? They did an offering. Did an offering, and BURU is really close to 20 cents. Like really, really close. It's really fighting. Really, really fighting. Uh, let's see. Someone tag me. Anyways, moving on. Uh, uh, there goes 1998, guys. Who was born in 1998? Anybody in the chat? 1998? Going once? 1998. 1999. Anybody? 1999? Going once? 2000s. Anybody born in the 2000s? Come on. Anybody? Can we get 2001? Uh, Almost 94. Me, virus? Yeah, right. 2003 Mixie? Yes. Was that in Nigeria or Cameroon? Let's go, Jeff. You got married in 1998? Let's go, William. We're back to 1996. 1996. 1985. Now we're getting okay, never mind. 1997. Let's go. 1986. 1982. Nice. Don't worry. Pablo was born in actually none of these numbers were on the date when Pablo was born. You know when they used to like new Roman numerals? Yeah. That's when Pablo was anyways. Yeah, that thing needs to clear 20 cents. And I need to yep. Some people call it oh my goodness. Anyways, Erica, what's wrong? What's wrong, Erica? Anyways, there goes 2000s again. 20 cents. 20 cents. 20 cents. Two. 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 Uh, there we go. Graduated in 1998. 2016, guys. Let's go. 2016. 20. Now we're in the future. 2026. Woo! 2040. My goodness, BURU is going to the future. That's what happens when it breaks out, though, right? People wait for 20 cents and then it breaks 20 cents. Then they're like, yes, 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 yes. So there you go. 2040. 2040. 2040. We're almost at 21 now. So that looks really good. There it goes. Almost 21 cents. Almost 21 cents. Here we go, Mustafa. Here we go. That earnings calendar is stupid. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of it. Get rid. So hopefully you can find a way to consolidate a bit more, right? For those of you non-members, again, BURU was posted in Discord. How come every play has been posted in Discord, guys? Whose fault is this? How come every time someone's like, it was in Discord, meh, 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 meh. Right? So again, there's your play. That play posted in Discord, guys. Yeah, it was. Right? So if you're not a member in Discord, again, you're missing out. So super frustrating play though. But being a little always invites a savage and unbelievable. You know what? It's almost time for me to hop off, anyways. Almost time for me to hop off. And you guys are still slacking on the likes. What do we need to do to get you guys to smash a like, guys? Smash a like. Smash a like. Smash it. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. So yeah, we'll keep a close eye on the other name there. There goes 2130, guys. All we had to do was break 20 cents and then people get excited. Break 20 cents and people get excited. Ooh wee. We are being asked for hits me with that nostalgia. Yep. Let's go, Jeff. Let's go. There you go. 21 cents. Again, super, super slow, Jeff. Really annoying. This has to be the most annoying. Anyways, penny stock. Call me crazy, but you want in. Money. Again, come join us in Discord, money. Right? Come join us in Discord. We're gonna hop off in 2 minutes, guys. So again, smash a like if you haven't already. I know who hasn't smashed a like, and I'm gonna fight you. I can tell. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. If you're not a member yet, again, we're gonna be in Discord. These plays are gonna still keep happening, so come join us, right? Click the link at the bottom of the chat if you haven't already, right? Become a member. If you do become a member after we're done, just send me an email and I will send you an invite. Cool, Delio. Cool, guys. Again, let me know if you have any last questions. I need to get ready. Violence. La 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 la. Shit. La 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 la. Roy said, "I'm out. I'm out. I'm out." Good job, Roy. Do 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 do. Uh, but it's a profit on nonetheless. Exactly, profits. 20, a success. Ooh, nice. Yeah, that thing did double top, and then abyss. Tried to fight you. Just ask if that you run away. Unbelievable. Nah, no. Alrighty, guys, we're gonna leave it here for now, though. Again, so TPET still looks good, so we're gonna keep watching this one in Discord. Obviously, AISP is still holding 450. So, like I said, as long as it stays above 450, there's still a chance. And BURU just beginning, hopefully, right? Hopefully, we're gonna keep watching that Tesla with a nice little bouncy bounce, so that's good. Let's see if that thing can get back above 170. Cool. And then PRST, we're going to be watching this one into the close, right? So if it's consolidating and holding, right, that's a good thing because then we can have some boom skis maybe, right? So keep a close eye on PRST. Yeah, so again, if you do become a member, make sure you sign up for the right level, Discord community legend. And then send me an email and I'll send you an invite. Other than that, I do have to run. I'm almost late. Let's go, William. Let's go. Thank you for the super sticker, William. Really appreciate that. Stewie, yeah. Yeah. Stewie, come join us in Discord. Come join us. William, thank you for the super chat. Thank you. Super sticker. Everything crashing except for yeah, well, you can say that though, right, Stewie? After everything else has gone up 300%, right? Pump and then dip, right? So there's a bit of a difference, isn't there? Everything else ran and then dipped again. Have a good day. See you in Discord soon, Michael. Sounds good. Sounds good. Righty, we're gonna leave Stewie with this screenshot. Stewie, don't worry, we're not late on BURU. Ready? We are not late, Stewie. No plans to be on time. Never. Dogecoin. Okay, sounds good. Anyways, guys, again, so yeah, have a wonderful rest of the day. Catch you guys later. We're either gonna stream in Discord or come back for Power Hour. Who knows? But yeah, smash a like before you go, and bye, guys. Let's go, Dave. Let's go.